Hello, good afternoon. In this June, Mark Tigamo sa number presenting this week assessment indicating about hand signals during and grain operation. So task number one is I will do these stop signals. So in stop signals, there are three different types of stop signals. So first, I am going to demonstrate the stop signals, the emergency stop signals, and lastly the dog signal. So first is stop signal. So in order to do stop signal, uh, extend your arm with your palm down, with your fingers pointing horizontally, and your hand movement like this. This indicate during crane operation stop signals. So next is the emergency stop signal. During the emergency stop signal, extend both arm and palm down and both your fingers pointing in the opposite direction, and your hands move like this. So that indicates emergency stop signal. Next is the dog signal. So in order to do dog signals, grasp both of your hands just above or between your waist like this. So this indicates dog signals. Task number two, boom signals. So I will just demonstrate the different types of boom signals. So first is the raise the boom and lower the load. Next is the lower the boom and raise the load. Next is the hand signals of swing. So the swing, there are two types. If you want to move the crane to the left, swing to the left, and the right, do the opposite one with the palm down. And the last is hand signals for extending the boom. So first, let me demonstrate the raise the boom and lower the load. Okay. So your hand pointing horizontally. Uh, so this is, and then your thumb pointing upwards. So raise the boom and lower the load. Raise the boom and lower the load. So next is the lower the boom and raise the load. So next, just like the very first one. So here in the second demonstration, extend your arm horizontally with your thumb pointing downwards. And this is called the lower the boom and raise the load. Next is the hand signals of swing. So in swing signals, swing to the left, extend your arm horizontally, your palm pointing downward. Then this is if you want the crane to move to the left, swing on the left side. If you want to move the crane to the right, do the opposite one, similar to the left side, with the palm pointing downwards and your hands extending horizontally. Next is the extend boom hand signal. So extend boom hand signal. Your your arms just uh, bend like the 90 degrees. This hand signal indicates extending the boom. Okay, task number three, load signals. So in load signals, there are two types of load signals. One is the hoist load hand signal, and the lowering the load hand signal. So the hoist signal is all about uh, if you want the crane operator to move the load or cargo upward, or lifting the cargo upward, you need to do this type of hand signal, which is the hoist load hoisting load hand signal. So let me demonstrate the hoisting load hand signal. So in order to do this, extend your arm horizontally and bend it at 90 degrees with your index finger pointing upward. And once in position, if you want the crane to start moving, uh, do this in your index finger. Draw a small circle pointing in the ceiling or in the sky. So next is the lowering the hands, lowering the load signal. So in the lowering the load signal, it's all about if you want the load or cargo to move downward, or lowering the cargo downward. So in order to do this, uh, extend your arm and your uh, opposite of the previous one, point your index finger downward, and once in position, draw a small circle, and this will indicate this type of hand signal is lowering lowering the load hand signal. Thank you. Task number 4, speed signals. So in speed signals, there is a moving slowly hand signal. So in the moving slowly hand signal, this indicate if you want the crane to move slowly or slow the rate of action. So in order to demonstrate this, you need to, or the signal man needs to put his hand above his hand and do the circular motion in the index finger to indicate the action has begun. So let me demonstrate it for you. So moving slowly hand signal. So put your hands above your hand with your index finger pointing like this, and once in position, slowly move your index finger, or move your index finger in circular motion. This indicate the hand signal is in process of action. So this type of hand signal is the moving slowly hand signal. Moving slowly hand signals to slow the operation. So that's my assessment for this week. Thank you. Thank you for giving us this assessment, sir. Thank you.